Hey everyone, welcome to my channel if you're new, welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name's Jonathan, I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews, and today's video is going to be a what's in my bag video, so let's get started. So I wanted to start off this video by saying thank you so much for 100 subscribers. I'm super happy that 100 of you decided to just subscribe to my channel and watch my videos, and I'm looking forward to growing this channel even more. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you're enjoying the content. It really tells me what kind of videos you want to see and what kind of videos you want me to keep doing. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the bag that I am currently wearing is, to no surprise, my Palm Springs mini backpack. Ever since I did the unboxing for this 2 weeks ago, I am using this bag every single day ever since. And to be honest, it actually holds everything that I usually carry with me on a daily basis. I had to make no compromises whatsoever, so I'm super happy about that. And so opening it up, as you can see, I fill it up to the brim like there's no tomorrow. But it looks small, but it actually fits quite a bit. So the first item that I have with me at all times is my 6 key ring holder in the Damier beam, and this actually holds my work keys in it. So I have to have these wherever I go. And then the next thing that I do have with me is my AirPods case. These are from Burberry, and this is from their new monogram prints. I absolutely love this case. It actually only fits the the AirPods first generation, and I actually haven't had any issues with these. They're still working perfectly fine, so I have no really reason to upgrade them as of yet. And then it actually also does house my car key as well. So I do drive a 2020 Audi Q3, so I don't need to use the key. I just keep it in my bag at all times, and I'm able to get in and out of the car and start the car without any problems. The next item that I do have is my mask. So this is obviously an essential, so I always carry a mask with me at all times. And so, yeah. And then the next item that I do have is my glasses case. So I do wear contacts, but I also carry with me my glasses case just in case my contacts give me issues and I need to take them out. I always have my glasses with me just in case. And then I also have my pocket organizer in the Damier Graphite. I absolutely love this guy so far since quarantine. I've been using it non-stop just because a lot of places are not accepting any cash right now, and I only really carry with me 3 cards, so this is perfect for me. My Palm Springs Mini does fit a regular bifold wallet in there, but I'm not, like I said, carrying any cash with me as most places are not accepting it, so I use this pocket organizer instead, and I absolutely love it. And then the next item that I do have with me is my long Damier Graphite clay. This item is actually discontinued, so you can fit a regular clay in substitute of this, but this actually just houses my house keys. And then the last thing that I do have in here is my Toiletry Pouch 15. And what I do keep inside of this little guy is my contact lenses. And then I also do carry my L'Occitane. This is cosmetic balm, so if my lips ever get chapped, I have this. And then I also do carry with me my L'Occitane hand cream, and this is in the scent Peaches. And then I also do carry with me a second lip balm, just in case. This is the Nivea Essential. This is actually probably one of my favorites. And then I do carry with me, obviously, some hand sanitizer, just because it's like an essential nowadays, so you have to have some hand sanitizer with you at all times. And the last thing that I do carry with me is my Louis Vuitton perfume sample. This is in the Cactus Garden. I actually really love this scent, and I'm contemplating picking up the full bottle. My sales associate did give me a whole bunch of perfume samples to try it out to see which one I do like, but I feel like as though I'm gonna gravitate towards this one just because it smells so good, but I haven't gotten through all of them yet, so once I do so, I'll be able to make a full commitment and decide which one I want. But that is pretty much everything that's inside this guy. And then there is nothing else really inside of here. This is completely empty. I actually don't really use the small pocket. It is just for vanity purposes right now, but I did know for a fun fact that these tabs are actually used for something. So if you were to pull this out, you're able to actually get in and out of the pocket a lot easier, as well as if you were to hold the tabs on the side, you're able to open and close the zipper a lot more easier than if you were to not. So I definitely thought that was pretty useful. And I actually don't have the straps on it right now, but I do carry this crossbody on my back, like similar to how I would do it for my sacadors, which is probably another reason why I was actually really happy that I purchased this, just because it's like a mini version of the sacadors, just because of how versatile the straps can be used. And so when I do, when I'm done using it for the day, I actually do store this in the dust bag without the strap on it, and I keep the straps in a separate dust bag. So that's why it's not currently on it. But yeah, that is everything that fits inside my bag. Thank you so much for watching. Question of the day is, what do you carry with you on a daily basis? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.